In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new QuickBooks Online company and switch between companies. Start by logging out of the company you're currently in. Before you sign out, save any open transactions and note any pending changes so nothing gets lost. In QuickBooks Online, open the Settings menu at the top right and choose Sign Out. This ensures you begin the setup fresh and that the new company is created under the correct profile. Next, go to the QuickBooks Online homepage in your browser. Use the official site and consider bookmarking it so it's easy to find later, especially if you manage more than one company. On the homepage, look for the option that says Sign Up or Start a New Company. The wording can vary by region or product page, but the purpose is the same. You're creating a separate new company file. Click that to begin the setup. You'll be prompted to enter the new company's business information and to select a subscription plan. Type in the legal business name exactly as you want it to appear on invoices and reports. Provide details like your industry, business type, and location if asked. These help QuickBooks tailor your chart of accounts and default settings. When selecting a plan, focus on what you need right now. If you only need basic income and expense tracking, a starter plan might be sufficient. If you manage bills, inventory, time tracking, or multiple users, choose a plan that includes those features. Remember, you can upgrade later as your needs grow. Now, complete the registration process. Follow the on-screen prompts to create the account for this company, add billing information, and confirm your subscription. You may be asked to verify your identity or confirm your email. Simply proceed through those steps until you land on the new company's dashboard. When you first arrive, you might see a brief checklist. You can review that after you finish these core steps. Finally, decide how you'll access multiple companies going forward. One approach is to use separate login credentials for each company so your access and data remain clearly segmented. Another option, if you use QuickBooks Online Accountant, is to switch between companies using the accountant tools without signing in and out each time. In any case, always verify the company name at the top of the screen before entering transactions to ensure you're in the right file. And that's it. You've logged out, created a brand new QuickBooks Online company, completed registration, and set yourself up to move between companies with confidence.